Good morning, student. In the last class, we solved that do you remember problems, right? So, in that, up to which question we solved? I hope up to, yes, up to 7th main completed, right? Comparison completed, that is 2.71 and 2.718, that is a greater value and this is a not greater value, that is completed up to 7th main. So now we are going to solve the 8th main, okay? So that is 8th main. What is the 8th question here? Convert to fraction in a simplest form, that is 0.8 is there. You have to convert this decimal number into the fraction first, that is here 8 by 10. Here means after decimal point only one number is there, that's why I am writing here a 10 number. If after decimal point there is a 2 number, then you write a 100. Okay, how many numbers are there? That much zeros you have to write here in the denominator. So here 0.8 is nothing but a 8 by 10 here. 8 by 10 means again cancel the values. 2 4s are 2 5s are. What is the answer? 4 by 5. 4 by 5 is the simplest fraction. We got a fraction as a 8 by 10, but they told convert the fraction in a simplest form. Simplest form means you have to, if there is a cancellation is there, then you have to cancel the values. Here 8 and 10 is there. Yes, we can cancel the values because both are in a same table. That's why 2 4s are 2 5s are. What is the simplest fraction here? 4 by 5 is the simplest fraction. Getting everyone how to do this one? Okay. Next one is a second one. 0.75 means 75 by 100. Again divide with the 5 value, that is 5 ones are 5 twos are. Here 5 twos are 0. Next 2 6s are 2 10s are. 2 3s are 2 5s are. What is the simplest fraction? 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is the simplest fraction here. Next go for the third one. What is the third problem? That is 0.375. You already did it in a 6th standard only. These problems came at a 6th standard. Again they given here. Okay, nothing to worry. 375 divided by 1000 is there. Again cancel the values. Okay, third one. 0.375 divided by 1000. So 375 divided by, so this is 0.375 means here 1000. So divide. 5 2s are 10 here. 5 7s are 35. 2 carry 5. 5s are 25. Okay. Next again divide with the 5 only. 5 4s are 0. Here 5 1s are 5. 5s are 25. 5 8s are 5. 3s are. What is the left value? 3 by 8. 3 by 8 is the simplest fraction. 3 by 8 is the simplest fraction here. Okay. Next go for the fourth problem. What the given fourth one? Fourth one is a 0.68. 0.68. That is 68 by 100. Okay. So cancel. 2 5s are 0. 2 3s are 2 4s are 2 25s are 2 17s are. So left with the 17 by 25. 17 by 25 is the simplest fraction. That is the answer. Okay. So 8 main completed now. Now go for the ninth one. Convert into a decimal number. Convert into a decimal number. So convert into a decimal number. Ninth main first one. 4 by 5 given. Okay. So multiply by 2 by 2. You will get a 8 by 10. That value is 0.8. Okay. See here in the denominator 5 is there. Right. So first we have to convert the denominator value in terms of zeros. Means 10, 100, 200, sorry 10, 100, 1000. Next 10,000 like that we have to convert here, because if we have a 8 by 10, see 1 0 is there, means after one number we can put a decimal point, right? So for that reason, convert this denominator in terms of a 10, 100,000. Okay, so here 4 by 5 is there. Okay, so you have to multiply 2 by 2. Okay, so when you are multiplying the denominator, you have to multiply to the numerator also, otherwise it's wrong. Getting how to write the equivalent fraction, you know, right? Equivalent fraction means we have to multiply same value to the numerator and denominator, then only it is a equivalent fraction. So we are converting the equivalent fraction only. So 4 by 5 is a given question, so we are converting first, that is denominator value 10, so that's why I am multiplying 2 by 10. Okay, don't multiply for only denominator, you have to multiply both the numerator and denominator, then only it is correct. Okay, so 2 by 2, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 8 by 10 can be written as 0.8. 0.8. This is the decimal number. They given in a fraction, we converted it to the decimal number. Getting? Okay, go for the next one. 3 by 20. 3 by 20. Again multiply by a 5 by 5. 3 5s are 50. Here 25s are 100. So what is the value? 0.15. 0.15. Next, third one. Third one is 5 by 8 into what value we have to write here, means we want a 100. 100 means we can't get the 100 if you multiply any value here. What we have to do here? See here, 5 by 8 is there. If you multiply anything, can you get a 100 here? No. Whatever value you multiply, you can't get a 100 value in the denominator. Then what we have to do here? Do the division only. Okay? Do the division. That is 5, here 8. 8 means take a point and 0 here. 8, 6 are 48 to carry. And again for that one taking 0. 8 2s are 16. And again 0. 8 5s are 40. Okay, so what last value? That is 5 by 8 is equal to 0.625. Okay, even if you do the division, you will get a decimal number. If you know the division also, then you can do like this also without multiplication, these things. Okay, these are the two methods. This is one method, this is another method. You can follow any one. Okay, whichever you feel easy, no, that method you have to follow. Okay, so next one is 11 by 40. Fourth one is 11 by 40. 11 by 40. So can we get 100 value if you multiply anything? No, right? No, we can't get. So just for that, again do the division only. 40 and take a point here, 0. Put a point and take a 0. 40 2s are 80. 0. 11 minus 8 is 3. For this point only, again I am taking a 0. That is 4. 40 means 4. 6 are 24. 4 7s are 28. 4 7s are 28. Okay, that is 2 and 0. Again take 0. 4 5s are 200. Okay. So what value left here? That is equal to 0.275. 0.275 is the answer. Getting everyone? Okay. Next one is a 10th question. Evaluate each of the following. Evaluate each of the following means you have to do the addition problem. I did this one, no? Yeah. It's okay, finally. So now 10th question, that is evaluate each of the following. 0.945 minus 0.687. Okay, first one is 10th question. 0.945 minus 0.687. 687. Yeah. Subtract. 5, 15 minus 7 is 8. 14 minus 9 is 5. 9 minus 3 is, 9 minus 7 is 2. Answer is 0.258. Okay, next second one, 4.84 plus 3.296. Here 6, 9 plus 4, 13, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 4 plus 4, 8. Okay, 4 plus 4, 8. Next, third one. What is the third question? 5.073 plus 2.891. 3 plus 1, 4. 7 plus 9, 16. 8 plus 1, 9. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 964 is the correct answer. Next, fourth one. What is the fourth question? 6.287 plus 2.539. 2.539. 7 plus 9, 16. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 6 plus 2, 8. This is the answer. Okay. Next, go for the 11th question. During a month of June, there was a 12 integer 1 by 5 millimeter of a rainfall in a city, and in months of July and August, rainfall of a, that is 15 integer 2 by 3 millimeter and 25 integer 2 by 3 millimeter were recorded respectively. Find the total rainfall during the monsoon season in the city. Okay. The given data, first whatever they given you have to write, that is the thing. Okay. 11th one, they given find the total rainfall. Okay. Rainfall during June, that is how much? 12 integer 1 by 5 millimeter. Next, rainfall during July. July is 15 integer 2 by 3 millimeter. Next, rainfall during August, that is 25 integer 2 by 3 millimeter. Okay. So now we have to find the total rainfall. Total rainfall is equal to, have to add all the values. 12 integer 1 by 5 plus 15 integer 2 by 3 plus 25 integer 2 by 3. That is 12 5 is 60. 60 plus 1 is 61 by 5 plus 45 plus 47 divided by 3 plus 75 77 by 3. What is the LCM here? 15. 5s are here, 5s are here, 3s are. 3 1s are 3, 3 6s are 18. Next, plus 5 7s are 35, 3 carry, 5 4s are 20, 23. Plus 7 5s are 35, 3 carry, 7 5s are 35, 38. Okay, now add all the numbers. 183, 235. Okay, next, what they given? 385. 10, 13. Here 8 plus 3, 10, 11, 11 plus 8 is 9, 19, 20 it is. Okay. Next, 3, 6, 8. So what we got here? 803 divided by 15. Okay, convert into a mixed fraction. 803 divided by 15. 803 divided by 15. 15. 15 on the 15, 15 to the 30. 3 is a 75. 15 3s are 45, 15 4s are 60, 15 5s are 75. 0, here 3, again 15 3s are 45, 8 value left, 0, again we get the, see here, this will be a same only, so 53 integer 8 by 15 millimeter. Total rainfall during a monsoon season is 53 integer 8 by 50 millimeter. That is the answer. Okay, so next go for the 12th question. What the given 12th question? Meetu painted a wall in a 5 by 12 hours. Vaibhav took 7 by 15 hours to paint the same wall. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? They asked. Means we have to do the subtraction. Okay. 12th one, do the subtraction only. So that is first means time taken by me too is equal to how much? That is 5 by 12 hours. 5 by 12 hours. Okay. And time taken by who's that? Vaibhav. Vaibhav is how much? That is 7 by 15 hours. 7 by 15 hours. Okay. So here who took a more time they are asking. Okay. When we converted this denominator value same, then only we will come to know that who is the greater and who is not taking a small time. Okay. That is first take the LCM, that is 5 by 12 minus 7 by 15. Okay. So LCM is 12 and 15 means 3 4s are 3 5s are 4 1s are 5 3 4s are 12 12 6. Okay, so here 12 5s are here 15 4s are. Okay, 5 5s are 25 minus 28. 28 is a greater value, right? So first write the that only. Means 7 by 15 minus 5 by 12. LCM is 60. So here 4s are, here 5s are. 28 minus 25. So he is taking a, see this value is nothing but a 28 by 60 hour. This value is nothing but a 25 by 60 hour. Who took a more time? Vaibhav took a more time. Meetu took a smaller than the means this Vaibhav, right? Vaibhav take a long time to paint that wall, right? So here subtraction, that is the 3 by 60, given the 20, 1 by 20. Okay. So you have to write therefore Vaibhav take long time than the Meetu by 120 hours. By 120 hours. Vaibhav take a long time than the Meetu by 1 by 20 hours. Okay. So next one is a 13th one. What should be subtracted from? What should be subtracted? 13th one. Okay. 13th problem. What should be subtracted from means 9 by 15 to integer 2 by 5. What should be subtracted? We don't know that value. That's why I am taking a x here. To get how much value? 2 by 25 we want. Okay. We don't know what should be subtracted from this number to get answer 2 by 25. We have to subtract some value from this value. Then only we will get a 2 by 25. That meaning is. Okay. So subtract now. See first do the addition here. 9 by 15 here plus 10 plus 12 by 5 minus x 2 by 25. Okay. Which implies that 15 9 plus here 3 means 36 minus x is equal to 2 by 25. Here 36 plus 9 is what? 36 plus 9 is 45 divided by 5 minus x 2 by 25. 15 ones are 15 threes are. Okay. So what is the value here? That is 3 minus x is equal to 2 by 25. which is implies that x is equal to 3 minus 2 by 25, right? Take x this side, 2 by 25 this side, means 3 minus 2 by 25 and x will become a positive. Getting everyone? X this side, 2 by 25 this side, okay? Then it will be a 3 minus 2 by 25. Now take the LCM. So which is implies that x is equal to 25 here and here 25. 25 threes are 75 minus 2. So x value is 73 by 25. If you want to convert into a mixed fraction, convert it. Otherwise, keep as it is. It is also correct. Otherwise, convert to the mixed fraction. Both are correct. But okay. So next one is a 14th one. Ridhima started from her home and covered a one integer 2 by 5 kilometer by cycling, and then she took a taxi to cover 2 integer 3 by 7 kilometer. The remaining distance she covered on a foot. Find the distance she walked on a foot if the total distance from her home to destination was a 4 kilometer. Okay, we'll do that in the next class. Wait 1 second. Yes, that 14th one I'll do in the next class. Okay, so and one more thing is whatever the things up to what I'm telling now in the class, that is question for your FA1. Okay, don't worry about that. So I mentioned that portion is second chapter up to 2.2 something. So how much I completed now, that much I'll go. Don't worry about that. Okay. So we'll give 2.1 also. After that, we'll see. Okay. Don't worry. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you everyone.